Alright, gonna see if anybody can help me with this. Got 1982 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham d'Elegance with the ht4100 digital fuel injection, 50th anniversary edition. Obviously, it's got the best motor Cadillac ever made, the 4100. Car ran great on 2-year-old gas. I drained the fuel out of the tank, put new fuel in it. Car won't start. Changed the plugs. Car fires up, but only when you hold it to the floor. Now I've changed the ignition module, put another fuel pump in it, and this is what I get. Go ahead. I am spraying. Once she stops cranking, though, I have no pressure. Turn the key on. Turn it off. Turn it on. Turn it off. I mean, as fast as she turns it off, I've got nothing. No fuel pressure. I got no holes in the lines. Can't figure it out. All my vacuums are on, except for this one, which goes into the breather, and this one that goes into the breather. Everything else is connected. There's no cracks, no breaks. The emission control is still connected, which they said do not disconnect on these cars. The computer has power, but I did notice that I have no check engine light. Most GMs, when you turn it on, see security's flashing. Check engine light should be right here. I get a stop engine and coolant. That's it. And then this one says stop engine temperature, but I get no check engine light. And that's all I get. Let's see if I can get her to start by holding it to the floor. Nope. I know pumping does nothing because it's a throttle body injection. Now this one, this is a 91 Fleetwood Brougham. Of course, it's an S&S. This one, I get my check engine light. This is a level ride, so I taped it over. But I get all the other stuff. But I get check engine light. Don't have to touch nothing, fires right up. Can someone help, please?